Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add image watermark in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that add image watermark in going to the design menu option. Now for click, then click for the watermark option. Now click for the custom watermark option. Now click for the picture watermark option. Then click for the select picture. Now open the file. Then insert a picture. Now for click. Then click for the insert option. Now click for the OK. That's it. Then I show add image watermark in Microsoft Word is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.